What if everything you've been hearing lately about the AI bubble bursting is completely wrong and the biggest money-making opportunity of 2026 is actually hiding inside this pullback? Because right now headlines are screaming fear while institutions are quietly buying. And that disconnect is exactly where long-term investors win. December scared a lot of people out of the market, especially in AI and tech. But when you look past the noise, money is still flowing in. Analyst coverage is expanding, institutional demand is rising, and the so-called AI crash looks a lot more like a textbook correction than the end of the trend. Which is why today we are re-breaking down the best stocks to buy now for long-term investing as we head into 2026. Starting with a name everyone knows, but many are suddenly doubting: AMD, because while Nvidia has dominated headlines, AMD has been quietly preparing what could be its most important product launch ever, the MI450A rack-scale AI solution, expected to roll out in the second half of the year. And this matters because until now, AMD couldn't fully compete in hyperscale data centers. But that's changing fast. And with companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, and Oracle building massive AI infrastructure at a pace that demand exceeds supply by nearly 10 to 1, AMD doesn't need to steal Nvidia's customers, it just needs to sell everything it can make. And early commitments already suggest that's exactly what's happening, making this recent pullback look less like weakness and more like a launchpad as the stock finds support near prior highs. Then there's Micron, which might be the most overlooked confirmation that the AI trade is still very much alive, because its December earnings weren't just good, they were Nvidia-level strong. With massive top and bottom line beats, expanding margins, and guidance that came in thousands of basis points above expectations, all driven by exploding demand for HBM memory, which every advanced AI chip requires, and right now the industry simply cannot make enough of it, leading to shortages that are expected to last well into 2027. Price increases rumored as high as 60%, and a multi-year window where Micron benefits from both volume growth and pricing power, a combination Wall Street clearly underestimated. Next up is Oracle, one of the most contrarian names on this list, because while the stock sold off hard after an incredible run, the underlying business is accelerating with remaining performance obligations surging over 400%, signaling a massive pipeline of future revenue as Oracle rapidly doubles its data center footprint and positions itself as a one-stop AI infrastructure, an application platform chip agnostic and deeply embedded across enterprise systems. Meaning this isn't a one-time sales story but a long-term recurring growth engine that Wall Street is still struggling to properly value, which explains the volatility. Then we come to Apple, a name many investors are frustrated with because it hasn't loudly joined the AI race yet. But that silence could be exactly the opportunity, because Apple continues to deliver strong margins, resilient iPhone demand, and relative strength, while others pull back, and history shows Apple rarely rushes, it refines, integrates, and then dominates, so whenever its AI strategy fully materializes, it could instantly reshape consumer tech, making this a classic patience play heading into 2026. And finally, Salesforce, which represents the evolution of AI from hype to execution, as its agentic AI strategy begins to translate into real growth, accelerating revenue, sustained margins, and a shift toward a more mature, shareholder-friendly tech model with buybacks and dividends. While recent price action suggests volatility may be transitioning into a more bullish trend as results finally catch up to expectations, across all these names, the common thread is simple but powerful: the market prices in the future before it happens, then pulls back when reality takes time to arrive. And those pullbacks are often where long-term investors are quietly building positions. And while nothing here is financial advice, and every investor should do their own research and understand their own risk tolerance, the data, demand trends, and institutional behavior suggest that what many are calling fear may actually be opportunity as we move toward 2026. So the real question isn't whether AI is over at S, whether you'll be positioned before the next wave begins.